In this video, we are going to show you how to revert changes in an Emergent AI project. If you want to revert a change that you made in Emergent, it's quite simple, but do make sure that you have credits remaining. As you can see here, we have some left over. I think this is going to be enough. But as you can see here, this is the original. I wanted the view or menu button of this specific website project to be brighter. And as you can see, it is a bit brighter. This was the original. It's a bit flat, right? It's a bit flat compared to what it is now. But if I want to revert it back to this tone, I can just, if you scroll down, right? As you can see here, I made the prompt. So can you make the color of the view or menu button more brighter? And it actually did it, right? So now I'm gonna make Emergent revert back. So can you, or I changed my mind, can you revert it back to the original color, right? This is same for this or whatever element you want to change in whatever project or website you're building. So click on send. Again, make sure you have enough credits. Hopefully this is enough. So there you go. And there you go. As you can see here, I've reverted the button color back to the original golden shade. The warm, subtle golden color is now restored across all buttons and accent elements. So it's that easy. Now, if you want to change something more complex, it might take more time and it might take more credits. As you can see here, didn't really spend any credits, right? So if you're gonna change something, that's where you're gonna spend more credits. If you're gonna revert it, it's not gonna spend or use any more. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.